guys, I'm here guys. I'm packing my things. Still packing. packing. I just done my shower. Yeah. I just put the unnecessary things guys. But I'm not sure yet if I don't have luggage. I will not bring all this. I will ask my madam first, but I just keep it. Yeah, and then shower. Blurred na naman siya guys. Shower. I think I showered today 5 times showering. Very warm here in Malaysia guys. My bag guys. See my bag is the one is spoiled already. The I don't know, parang fiber. The fiber is broken. So I keep on cleaning. Yes. Yan, para gumanda-ganda ang lola niya. Ano natin ang buhok. Yan. Thank you. I'm wearing my pajama. Oh, laban ka. Baka kasi. Yes. Maganda na yung sigurado, di ba? Thank you. Always sigurado ka sa iyong ginagawa para walang sabit. Thank you very much for watching me. Ganito na ako mag-ano guys. When I fold my clothes.